Hello traders out there in Traderland, my name's Dez here at Grok Trade on Wednesday, January 4th, 2012. Dow today, up, S&P up, however NASDAQ, Russell's down. A lot of times you'll see the NASDAQ and Russell's lead the markets one direction or the other, and so with this outlook for tomorrow looks more bearish than it is bullish. However, at this moment, we had the Dow up 0.17%, flat for the S&P, NASDAQ flat, Russell's down 0.7%. Banks up 0.3%, so it did lead the markets to the upside. VIX down quite a bit here, down 3.3%, showing that the markets were more bullish than what we were seeing. And gold did climb 0.5%, but silver drops 1.5%. A lot of turbulence here in silver. And crude oil up 0.2%, and we had the US dollar up 0.6%, which put a lot of pressure on the markets, pushing us back down. We do have gold at 1613 right now at the time of this video, and we have crude oil right now at 103 and some change. Looking here at the markets, today we did not have any follow through. We had an inside trading day. We had lower high, higher low. But the thing that was really interesting to see is we did start off bearish, but we rallied back pretty strong. For that to happen, it took the bulls to yank this back up. But what was crucial is that we closed higher than this level that I was sharing with you yesterday. It's 1275, 1276 area. We closed at 1277. That was crucial. We closed above it yesterday. Today we closed above it. So at this moment, even though it shows that NASDAQ and the Russells are down, or we closed the markets down today, Wednesday, that should push the markets down tomorrow. However, a lot of that downward motion has come from the US dollar being so strong, up 0.6%. So that hurt. But all in all, we did not get a significant sell-off, and the sell-off that we did see today rallied back, so it could not hold that downward movement. So all in all, I still have hope that we could be heading to the upside. Because we don't have a real nice up leg, and this formation wasn't near the high, we do not have what's called a hanging man formation. We have kind of the makings of a dragonfly doji. So we do have a doji. Most dragonfly dojis do not have upper shadows. This one does. So a big indecision day. What I'm looking for is if we can continue higher to close out this week. Ideally, not only would I like to see a higher high, I want to see us get above 1285 and sustain that closing out the week. If we do start to make a move up, I may start to add some more longs to my positions, my long positions that I've been holding for a while. If we do make a new low here, watch out, because this thing could get squirrely. There is something called the January effect. The January effect says, hey, however the first week of January pans out, so go with the rest of January and the rest of the year. If you go back in time, I don't necessarily hold a lot of weight in that, but it's certainly something that a lot of people do. So in short, what I'm looking for is when we make a higher high, that would be bullish, but it would be more bullish if we can get over this 1285 area and stay there. That would be much more bullish. What would be bearish if we make a new low? We go lower than today's low at 1268. So if we close lower than 1268, that would be bearish, and expect there to be more turbulence and volatility and a downward drifting taking place if that were to happen. So there it is. Hey, thank you for leaving a comment. For you YouTubers, thank you for clicking like, because the more times like gets clicked, the more people get to see the video. And I think it's about time that more and more individuals start to know about Grok Trade and what we have to offer here. If you want a free chart school, go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com. If you want a free day trading chat room, go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com. And if you want free online trading videos, the 101 trading courses, 6 courses, 30 lessons, it'd take you 4.5 hours to go through them. It's a free course, free online course. Make sure you go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com. It would behoove you to share this great and very rich resource with your trading buddies and colleagues, and I want to sincerely thank you for doing so. Take care, safe trading, and remember that capital preservation comes before making a profit.